guys. How's everyone doing it there? Woof, 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 woof. Hey, it's been a while. Woof. How's you all getting on it there? Woof. Puppy's got meow. I know what it is. Woof. It is Manpup merch. I'm so excited. So, the Manpup merch store is closing down. March. Last day of March. When is the last day of March? Like next week? Sunday. The last day of March. Last day of March will be the last day the Manpup merch store will be open. That's a sick enough for that today. So, yeah, so the puppy went and bought a few things from the merch store, and here we go. Let's open this up. Right. See. Oh, woof and woof, woof, woof. Do you see? Woof. Ooh, you see that? But wait. Woof. Ooh. Look at the wolf hat, bro. I see what's written in there. Manpup, woof. I'm in the middle of a sunshine daydream. It's not real, but it's sweet like ice cream. And you gotta have wolfy shirt, woof. What do you think? Woof. Now I'm all nice and cozy for the summer. Woof. Woof. So, this merchandise is from Streamlabs. Woof. Streamlabs. Woof. Manpup merch. Woof. Be so excited. Woof. I'm gonna wear this. Woof. So, tell me what you think. Woof. If you want yours, you better go get it now. Woof. The store's closing in like 5 days, 6 days. Woof. So go grab your Manpup purse now. Manpup merch now, not purse, because puppy don't sell the purse. Maybe I should have sold it, Manpup. Okay, well, I like it. All of you all like it. Well, remember, if you want to check out Manpup, go to Google and say, "Hey Google, Manpup Duck," and check out the Manpup store and grab your merch now while you can. Bye. Oh, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. I know the buttons are here somewhere. Bye, everyone.
सूरज से है रोशन